What's up everyone? Coach Gaby here, and today I have an awesome at-home weight loss routine. We're gonna burn calories, we're gonna sweat, it's gonna be awesome, you're gonna love it. So let's get into it. All right, first for a nice warm up, we have high knees. All right, so you can keep your hands out here and you can tap your knees if you'd like, or have them on your hips for balance. And we're gonna be doing this for 30 seconds. Straight posture, really using your core to bring your knee in. All right, bring your knee up and 30 seconds, let's go. Don't forget to breathe. And remember your posture here, even though we're just moving our legs, our spine is straight, our shoulders are pushed away from our ears, our chest is up, and we're engaging our core. If this is too fast for you, you can go at your own pace as long as you're controlling the movement and moving with intention, you're doing great. All right, 3, 2, 1, very good. Now, we are going to move on to skiers. This is really, really fun. So just like you're ice skating, we're gonna go to side and then side. All right, and if this is too much for your knees, go ahead and step, step, step. If not, go ahead and do a little jump, get that heart rate going, and 30 seconds, let's go. Right, chest up, looking forward. Breathe. Almost done, push through, you got this. And 3, 2, 1, done. You little ice skating queen or king. Breathe. Get ready for lateral squat walk. That was a little cardio right there. We're working the legs, the abs, the heart rate. Take a second, find yourself, and get ready for lateral squat walk. So in a squat position, we're gonna come down. I'm gonna start on the end of my mat. So we're gonna come down into a squat position. Remember not to arch, no arching. Straight back. And we're going to step, step, and then the other side. All right, we're gonna do this continuously for 30 seconds. If staying in a squat position that entire time is too much for you, go ahead and do 2-2 up and then down 2-2. So it would look like this. Up, and then come back down and go the other side, okay? Whatever works best for you, always listen to your body. We're gonna do 30 seconds. Let's go. Remembering your posture, no arching, no slouching, shoulders away from your ears. I know I sound like a broken record sometimes, but I forget even sometimes. So I'm here to remind you, form is super, super important. Doesn't matter how many you do or how fast you do it. What matters is the quality of the movement. You're doing great. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Walk it out. Maybe a little active recovery. Breathe. And get ready for some mountain climbers. So, we're gonna be coming down to a plank position. And we're bringing our knees in towards our elbows, all right? And if this is too much for you, going to normal speed, go ahead and do a step, step. And then if that's too much for you, you can go down on your knees and do it with your knees. like that. You're still benefiting from it because you're using your core to bring your knee in and you're using your arms to keep yourself up in that position. So there's still benefit in it. Take a second, out of breath. You know, I get twice the workout because I'm talking and doing it and I love it. All right, let's do this. 30 seconds, pick your variation and let's go. Breathe. Remember, your hand is supposed to be below your shoulder, okay? Don't want to be too far back or too far forward. Protect your shoulders. Almost done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. You guys are doing great. We're almost there. We have one more exercise to go and then you're done. Or you can rewind it and do another set. I definitely think you can do it, but first, let's finish off strong with plank jacks. So, back in plank position. Remember, with our hand below our shoulder, we're going to go into plank position and we're going to, like a jumping jack, kick our feet both out and then back in, out, in. And if this is too much for you, you can go one leg at a time. And then if this is too much for you, go ahead and hold a plank. Hold the plank for 30 seconds. That is still really good for you. Works the core, works the shoulders, works the chest. There's benefit in every variation, so do what's best for you. All right, take a second, get some water. So let's finish strong with some plank jacks. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Push through, you got this, come on. Great job. And if you need to, go ahead and switch it up if you need to. 3, 2, 1. Very good, gently come down. Whew, you did it, that was it. That was your at-home weight loss routine, cardio, full body toning workout. You did amazing. If you have it in you, go ahead and rewind, do another set or 2 or 3, and check out our channel. We have so many other videos to share with you, and I hope to see you on the next one. Woo!